Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. MDCAT Course, chapter support and movement. Question number 6. Classify joints. Joints definition. Other points. Cepat ambil dua yalbon ziarabon yoseshiri ahitawi joints. Get the joints classification for dua factor value. Yo factor value si binding materials sila pode manter a joint से बचरा इनकती द्वैम factor से कमी joint के पीछे आया मौजूद बाकी कोने लगे मौजूद the दो factor को बेस आदमी the joints three main types थी first type से कमी आदमी fibrous joints that the joints थी si padiki the bone that ends yo बचरा the fibrous connective tissues pasarnya against और पति के joint cavity निष्ठा the कमिसार की होगा skull the fibrous joints the fibrous connective tissues pasarnya the bone से pasarnya joints पानी against और joint cavity पति निष्ठा one example the sacrum or ilium comes from the favorite bone scene they the sacrum or ilium that you would say this is an example of fibrous joints. A body joint cavity nishta. Bullet common name these are immovable joints common way. The deep root valley. See you that zamanga body for strength or support provide like a pelvic joints secondly. But secondly they protect delicate organ like a skull, brain protected. Dual type, the joints you can make cartilaginous joints. That the joints the particularly the bone ends secondly that the fibrocartilage, the hyaline cartilage was the you connected the. But the joint cavity nishta ho the little movement, the slight movement allocated. Example, let me check the like a vertebral that cartilaginous joints या breast चिकन दे दर्द चिकन दे cartilaginous joints या चिकन ankle पर दी की उन cartilaginous joints मौजूद है dream type the joints synovial joints that the joints की चिकन दी की अभी पांच में cavity मौजूद है और cavity तवे synovial cavity that fluid filled cavity that but that joints can be then the ligaments maujood thi chahe wo jab aage the bone organs strongly attached their synovial joints both is lagi you have the hinge joint but they call a soccer joint hinge joints are the joints thi chipati ke baad the yo bone entry kamne ab cylindrical shape or the well bone entry kamne ab drop shape the cylindrical end of the one bone after maturity or the drop shape surface of another bone. That joint securely they allow movement only in one plane in flexion and extension. The examples securely like the elbow or knee joints. The knee pedalada chita they are capable of bearing heavy loads and they permit movement only in one plane, in flexion and extension. Dual type the synovial joints they call as soccer joints. That are joints की बड़ी के बता यो वो ना entry करने अब spiritually या बड़ी spiritually और the bull के करने अब cup shape no the spiritual या spiritual entry करने that by cup shape soccer की forward shape और the joints का कमाल है so they allow movement in all direction like for example we go for that's the movement permission working but all direction के करने they allow formation of movement in all directions. The big example, shoulder joints or the hip joints. I hope you will better understand. Thank you very much.